Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to compare PDF files on your PC. And first of all, I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, and on this website you can literally do everything around PDFs. So from now we click here on compare PDF, and if you want to check the same PDFs or something got changed in that PDF, you can do this on the correct way. So let's say select PDF file, downloads, and I want to check this file, and I want to check, let's say, this file. Then we do enter, and now he's loading both PDF files to the system, and right now he will compare those. So right now, if you can see, here is Flux Patches, and it's not standing just right here. Now something new is everything here because it was not here in the first file. Now new things got added here in this file, so you can make a comparison between two files if you are reading an essay or giving someone a nice number for his essay, or let's say you need to check something, then this is a nice way how you can compare PDFs. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.